Hello, the 18th of April is a special date in Croatian literature because it's the birthday of Ivana Brlić-Mažuranić, whose most famous piece of work is a collection of short stories and fairy tales called Priče iz davnine. In 1924, those 6 stories were translated into Croatian Tales of Long Ago by Fanny S. Copeland. Here is a first edition of that collection, superbly illustrated by Vladimir Kirin, probably more recognizable by the hardcover like this. This is a very rare copy with the original dust jacket. These translations were subsequently used for translations into other languages. In 2024 was the 150th anniversary of Ivana's birth, and so I translated the 6 stories which were published in 1916 into a new edition of Croatian Tales of Long Ago, which is again superbly illustrated by Manuel Šumberac in pen and ink, black and white pen and ink. Now, my new translations include all 8 stories, 2 of which had never been translated into English before or into other languages. When I was translating for this new collection of stories, I realized that the first English translations had several mistakes, and so I've corrected those in the new book here, and updated some of the titles and names, etc. So this is now the best English translation of all 8 stories. The 2 additional stories which were added to Ivana's collection are Jagor and Topolko, which are now translated for the first time in English in this new edition. This new edition is available online and through most of the Croatian bookstores. So please find and buy a copy of this and enjoy. And happy birthday, Ivana. Thank you for watching.